Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've done a video. This is Greg Sargent over at Restoration Made Simple. Hey, we're just 1 month into 2022 and I've been doing a lot of end reports, reviews with our clients that we've had over the last couple of years. And also we've had a lot of people calling us lately and asking us a lot of the same questions that they're struggling with things. And so what I wanted to do is talk about two quick things that we're finding that are coming up all the time with restoration companies. Whether you're just getting started or you're in the middle trying to get there, or you're multi-million trying to even grow past that. But the biggest thing is your net profit. Just recently I had a client, actually a new client, call me up and ask me if I could help consult with them. And one of the craziest things is they've already had a consultant with them for quite some time, not in our industry, which is great, helping them with certain things. But what I noticed was their net profits were really not where they needed to be. And so that's one of the things that we try to focus on, is getting your net profits. Our clients on average are between 20 and 40%. Most of them are between 30 and 45%. We have a little bit on the lower, some on the higher. A lot of those are independents, owners like yourselves out there, or maybe you own a franchise. But let us look at your numbers and see how we can increase your net profits this year. One of my clients I just did a review with recently and gave them some tips on their estimating and their job averages. And already we're seeing multiple jobs coming back at $700 plus, $1,500 plus where they were billing before. So think about it. If you did 10 jobs a month or 30 jobs a month, and you were able to increase your job average by $500 to $1,000 or $2,000 a job, all of a sudden we've got an extra $10, $20, $30, $40,000 a month in revenue that's going to help those bottom lines. The second thing that everyone seems to be struggling, and this isn't just in the restoration industry, but this is just small businesses in general, and that is continued education and coaching and kind of training for their staff. With all the hats that you guys are wearing out there, it is hard to train your office staff to make sure they're answering the phones correctly. It is tough to review all your estimates to make sure you're not losing money before those get sent out. It is tough to make sure your documentation is correct so that the estimates can be accurate and bill properly. And the other thing is, these technicians are, a lot of them, very willing to learn, but how do you set aside time to train them? So we've got some great options that we've been doing the last year with weekly 30-minute technician training every Thursday morning. We're also setting up office staff coaching and helping for collections to get your receivables down quicker and paid better. We've also got weekly, probably going to be weekly or bi-weekly outside sales calls, where we can do group calls and share ideas and hold each other accountable. So if you're an owner out there either looking to get into restoration, or you're already in the business and you're struggling with these two situations of lack of net profit, call me. My cell phone is 720-277-7113. We'll set up a free consultation with you. And we, like I said, in general have been able to increase restoration businesses, just their net profit between 10 to 30%. Just to throw out another fun fact, one of my clients we've had for over 4 years, we have been able to triple their net profit in the last 4 years. What used to be around $150,000 a year is now well over $600,000 a year. So those are things that we've been able to help them. That's life-changing when you go from taking home $150,000 and now you're over $500,000 in take-home revenue. This is not a large company. Okay, they're not even doing over $3 million. So we're focusing on their net profits. We're focusing on adding additional services that are profitable for them. So again, if it's the beginning of the year, we're just 1 month into this, it's February 2nd today, and if you are looking for additional ways to make more profits this year for your company, and also to get additional training for your staff so that you don't feel like you're there alone having to do it all, whether you're a franchise, I was a franchise owner of ChemDry for 11 years. There was great things there, but there was a real lack of training for the staff of my company. And that's one of the reasons why we've done this, is to put trainings together for your staff members. Again, 720-277-7113. If you haven't subscribed to our free emails, we get a weekly email out every Wednesday. We also do one-on-one consulting. We have group consulting calls, and we have over 300 videos on our online courses available to you to help you better your restoration business. So hope to hear from you soon. Have a great month. And last thing I want to say is get ready to come to Nexus. I've got it over on my screen, but Aramco has got a Nexus convention coming up March 28th and 29th at the Mirage in Las Vegas. I'm really excited. I'm actually been asked to be one of their presenters for the conference. So come on by, see us at the Vegas convention as well. And again, 720-277-7113. Give me a call. We'll set up a free consultation and see how we can best help you and your company for 2022. Thanks, guys.